Hey, everyone. Welcome back. We're happy you're here with us today. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. Hi, everyone. Today, we're talking about something really simple but beautiful. What makes life beautiful?
Oh, that sounds deep, Daniel.
Maybe a little, but don't worry, we're just going to have a normal conversation, like two friends talking.
Good. So, Daniel, when you hear what makes life beautiful, what comes to your mind first?
Hmm, honestly, I think about small things.
Small things?
Yeah, things like a quiet morning, good food, a nice conversation, or even a beautiful day outside.
I agree. Sometimes we think life has to be exciting to be beautiful.
Exactly. But maybe a normal day can be beautiful too.
What do you mean?
Imagine you wake up, open the window, and the weather is nice. You make your favorite coffee, sit down for a few minutes, and everything feels calm.
Oh, I love that feeling, especially when you don't have to hurry.
Yes, that feeling of having a little time for yourself.
Especially when nobody says, Emily, can you do this?
Exactly. 5 quiet minutes can feel like a vacation.
That's true. And sometimes we don't notice these moments because we're always thinking about what comes next.
Right. We wake up and think about work. At work, we think about going home. Then at home, we think about tomorrow.
And suddenly it's nighttime.
And we think, wait, did I enjoy today?
That happens a lot.
It happened to me yesterday, actually.
Really? What happened?
I went outside to buy some bread. Nothing special, right?
Very exciting.
Here I go. On my way home, I saw a little dog sitting outside with its owner. The dog looked at me and started moving its tail.
Aw, that's cute.
Yeah, I stopped and said hello. The dog looked so happy, and somehow that little moment made me happy too.
See, that's exactly what we mean. A tiny moment can change your mood.
Exactly. Sunshine, fresh air, a friendly dog, and some fresh bread.
Now you're making me hungry. What makes you happy, Emily? Is it food? Of course. But honestly, I think music makes me really happy.
Really? What kind of music?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I want something quiet. Sometimes I want something that makes me want to dance around my room.
I would love to see that.
No, you wouldn't.
Okay, fair enough. What about you, besides food and friendly dogs? Good people. Friends, family, and even strangers who are kind.
Oh, definitely. Sometimes one small conversation can make a bad day much better.
Have you ever had a bad day when someone said something nice to you?
Yes. I remember one day at work. I was tired and stressed, and I had so much to do.
Oh no.
Then a coworker came over and asked, Are you okay?
Just those 3 words?
Yes. I said, I'm just tired. And she said, I understand. Take your time.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, she didn't try to solve my problems. She just listened.
Sometimes that's all we need.
Exactly.
Let's practice those simple sentences with our listeners.
Good idea.
Repeat after us. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I understand.
I understand.
And take your time.
Take your time.
Simple, right?
Very simple. But sometimes simple words can mean a lot.
That's so true. And you know what else I think makes life beautiful?
What?
Being around people who make you feel comfortable. You can laugh with them, talk about anything, or even sit quietly together.
I really like that. What about you, Emily? Who makes an ordinary day feel special for you? Oh, I already have someone in mind.
Really? Who?
Well, let me tell you about them. There's someone in my family who can make even a boring day feel happy.
Really? Who is it?
My younger sister, she has this funny way of making everyone laugh.
What does she do?
Honestly, sometimes she doesn't even try. She just says something silly and suddenly everyone is laughing.
Oh, I know people like that. They can change the whole mood in a room.
Exactly. And I think that's something beautiful about people. You don't need to do something big. Sometimes just being there is enough.
That's true. A good friend can make an ordinary afternoon feel special.
What about your friends, Daniel? What do you usually do together?
We usually eat, talk, walk around, or just sit somewhere and talk about random things.
Random things?
Very random things. 1 minute we're talking about work, and 5 minutes later we're talking about food or some funny video.
That sounds like a normal conversation with friends.
Exactly. And sometimes those simple conversations are the moments I remember most
Why do you think that is?
because I feel relaxed. I don't have to pretend to be someone else.
Oh, that's important.
Yeah, when you're with the right people, you can just be yourself.
Let's practice that phrase because it's really useful.
Sure,
Repeat after us. I can be myself.
I can be myself.
And I feel comfortable around them.
I feel comfortable around them.
Good. Those are simple ways to talk about people who make you feel happy and relaxed.
And you can use them when you talk about friends, family, coworkers, or even someone you're dating.
Exactly.
But I think there's another thing that makes life beautiful.
What?
Being proud of yourself.
I like that.
It doesn't have to be something huge. Maybe you finished something difficult. Maybe you learned something new. Maybe you did something even though you were scared.
Oh, yes. Sometimes we only celebrate big achievements.
Right, but small progress matters too.
Can you think of something you're proud of?
Hmm. Actually, yes. A few months ago, I started going for walks every morning.
Every morning?
Well, almost every morning.
I was going to say, really?
Hey, but I kept doing it, and now it feels normal.
That's something to be proud of.
Yeah, it taught me that small habits can change how you feel.
I agree. And sometimes you don't notice progress until you look back.
Exactly.
Listeners, think about that for a second. What is something small you did recently that made you proud?
Maybe you cooked something for the first time?
Maybe you spoke English with someone.
Maybe you went somewhere alone?
Maybe you helped someone.
Or maybe you simply had a difficult day but kept going?
That one is important.
Yeah, sometimes getting through the day is already something.
And you don't have to compare your progress with someone else.
Exactly. Your small step is still a step.
Aw, I like that.
You're collecting quotes again.
Maybe I am.
Okay, here's another one. Enjoy the little things.
That's actually a great idea for today's conversation.
Yes, because when we think about a beautiful life, we often imagine big things.
A big house,
A lot of money,
traveling around the world.
a perfect job.
But what if a beautiful life is also having people you love, enough time to rest, good health, a favorite meal, and a peaceful morning?
That sounds pretty beautiful to me.
Me too.
And I think gratitude helps us notice those things.
Gratitude?
Yes, being thankful for what you already have.
Oh, I understand.
You don't need a perfect life to be thankful.
That's true.
You can simply say, I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for my friends.
I'm thankful for this beautiful morning.
Or, I'm thankful for having a little time for myself.
Exactly. Repeat after us. I'm thankful for the little things.
I'm thankful for the little things.
And one more. I appreciate what I have.
I appreciate what I have.
Nice and easy.
And honestly, Daniel, I think there's something funny about happiness.
What?
Sometimes we spend so much time looking for happiness that we forget to enjoy what's already happening.
Oh, that's true.
Like when you're eating your favorite food but you're looking at your phone the whole time.
Guilty.
Or when you're talking to a friend but thinking about tomorrow. Okay, guilty again.
Hey, we all do it.
So maybe sometimes we just need to slow down.
Yes, look around, listen, enjoy the moment.
Even if it's just 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Now I'm thinking about something.
What?
Maybe life doesn't become beautiful when everything goes perfectly.
Then when does it become beautiful?
Maybe when we start noticing the good things that are already there.
Oh, I think you're right.
And maybe we can try something today.
What should we try?
Before you go to sleep tonight, think about 3 good things from your day.
Three things.
Yes, they can be very small.
Good food,
Yes,
a nice conversation,
absolutely.
a funny moment,
Exactly.
or maybe a little dog waving its tail at you.
You really love that dog.
I do.
Okay, Daniel, I think we're starting to understand what makes life beautiful.
Yeah, but there's one thing we haven't talked about yet.
What's that?
The moments that don't seem beautiful at first, but later become some of our favorite memories.
Oh, now that is interesting. What do you mean?
Sometimes something goes wrong, but later you laugh about it. At the time, it feels terrible, but later it becomes a funny memory.
That's so true. Do you have an example?
Yes, last year I went on a short trip with some friends. We were excited, but we got lost.
Oh, no. How did you get lost?
We thought we knew the way. We didn't want to check the map because we were so confident.
Oh, that sounds like something Daniel would do.
Okay, maybe.
So what happened?
We walked for almost an hour and finally realized we were completely lost. At first, we were stressed. Then one friend started laughing.
Why?
He said, "Well, at least we're lost together."
That's actually a great sentence.
And suddenly, everyone started laughing. We found a small cafe, had something to eat, and asked someone for directions.
So the problem became a good memory.
Exactly. Now, whenever we talk about that trip, nobody remembers the place we wanted to visit. We remember getting lost.
Oh, I love that. Sometimes the imperfect moments become the best stories.
Yes, life doesn't have to go perfectly for us to enjoy it.
That's a really useful idea. Let's practice one phrase from your story.
Okay.
Repeat after us. At least we're together.
At least we're together.
And we can laugh about it now.
We can laugh about it now.
Great! Those phrases are useful when something goes wrong, but you want to stay positive.
Exactly.
You know, Daniel, I think we've talked about so many small things today.
Yeah, friends, family, food, music, quiet mornings, walks, funny moments.
And even a little dog.
Especially the dog.
But if you had to choose just one thing that makes life beautiful, what would you choose?
People.
People?
Yes, having someone to talk to, laugh with, share food with, or call when you have a bad day. I think good people make life better.
I agree. For me, I'd say appreciating the moment.
What do you mean?
Not always waiting for something better. If I'm having coffee with someone I love, I want to enjoy that coffee. If I'm having a quiet morning, I want to notice it.
So you're saying don't wait for the perfect moment.
Exactly. Enjoy the moment you have.
Oh, I really like that.
And listeners, you can practice this sentence too.
Repeat after us. I want to enjoy the moment.
I want to enjoy the moment.
And I'm happy with the little things.
I'm happy with the little things.
See, you don't need difficult English to talk about your feelings.
Exactly. Simple English can help you talk about real things in your life.
And maybe that's the biggest thing we learned today.
What is it?
A beautiful life isn't always a perfect life.
Yes.
Sometimes it's just a normal day with a few good moments.
A good meal?
A good friend,
A peaceful morning.
a funny conversation.
Someone asking, "Are you okay?"
Or someone saying, I understand.
And sometimes it's just being proud that you kept going.
That's true.
So today, try something simple. Before you go to bed, think about 3 good things from your day.
They don't have to be big. Maybe you had good food. Maybe someone made you laugh. Maybe you had 10 quiet minutes alone.
And say to yourself, "I'm thankful for this."
That's a nice habit.
It really is.
And now we want to hear from you.
Yes, here's today's question. What is one small thing that makes your life beautiful?
Maybe it's your family, your favorite food, music, a friend, your pet, a beautiful place, or simply a quiet morning.
Write one simple sentence in the comments. My life is beautiful because...
And don't worry about making it perfect. Just try.
Exactly. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is that you use it.
And remember, small steps become big progress.
Oh, that's a good one.
I had to finish with something wise.
And I think we can both agree on one thing today.
What's that?
Life is beautiful when we slow down enough to notice it.
I completely agree.
Thanks for spending this time with us. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep noticing the little good things around you.
And remember, you can talk about your life in simple English. You can do it.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and enjoy the little things.